Okay, we are looking at distance equals rate times time again. We're going to look at today some easier problems to try and get a feel for how to use the distance equals rate times time equation. And once we get a feel for it, we're going to start moving on to some harder problems, more like what we had yesterday. So, distance equals rate times time is our equation. D equals RT. Let's start with some easier problems. A car travels at a speed of 55 miles per hour for 3 hours. How far did it travel? Okay, here's the idea on any distance equals rate times time problem. They have to give you either distances, rates, or times. So, you figure out which ones they've given you. If they haven't given you them, then you give them variables. You just leave the D, the R, the T in there, whichever one you don't have. If you do have them, you plug them in, you solve what you have. If there's more than one thing traveling, then you gotta figure out what the relationship is. Figure out a relationship. And if you do that, all these things are pretty easy. So here we go. A car travels at a speed of 55 miles per hour for 3 hours. How far did it travel? First question, is there more than one thing traveling here? A car travels at a speed of 55 miles per hour for 3 hours. Nope, you have one thing traveling. It is this car. Travels at a speed of 55 miles per hour for 3 hours. How far did it travel? Well, let's do this. Do we have a distance? No. D. Do we have a rate? Yeah, 55 miles per hour. Do we have a time? This is our R. Do we have a time? Yeah, 3 hours. This is our T, it's 3 hours. Distance equals 55 times 3, 55 times 3, which we can all do is 165.